What's up, risk managers? My name is NASDAQ Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. And welcome to the daily newsletter, where we will be going over economic data for the week, today's technical analysis, create a game plan for tomorrow, and go over the trades that I took today. So let's jump right in now. This is the economic data for tomorrow. Be mindful that all times are in Central Time. And at 9 a.m. Central tomorrow, me and my trading partner is going to be looking to trade the reaction to the JOLTS and consumer confidence report for tomorrow. As a day trader, I'm not trying to interpret the news, but focus on how the market reacts to the news and then try to find an entry based on my analysis. Now, I was never recommended to trade during a major news release, but if you choose to trade during this time, then understand that you're playing a game of chance with your trading account. And with that said, also be mindful that China has some major news releasing at 7 p.m. Central tomorrow night. China has a big influence over the U.S. markets, so do not disregard this tomorrow at 7 p.m. Central. Let's jump into the charts. Now, today, this is where the market opened up. The New York Open was this candle right here. And around 8:43, I was talking to my trading partner about taking this short at 580. I was telling him that I want to take this short down, but I just did not have the patience for any bullish momentum. And this right here was a 40-point move down before the bulls came and bought it right back up. The bears took it right back down, and eventually price began to trade in a tight range. Now, this right here is a trading range that I marked out. This yellow line is the 21 EMA. This red line is the 50 EMA. This gray line is the 200 EMA. And this blue line is VWAP. And as you can see, price was making equal lows in this trading range. And price took out the liquidity underneath those lows and rolled the 21 EMA all the way up until we closed, I believe, making a high at 7.6. This morning was a low volume open. It was choppy. Even though the charts look like we got awesome price action, this move actually took about, so this is the 8:30 candle right here. We basically had to wait almost an hour and 30 minutes before actually making this move. And by this time, I don't trade after lunch. So this happened without me. Or should I say, I don't trade my XFA after lunch. I did purchase an Apex account to trade this. Well, I purchased a 50K Apex account, and it was only for fun. I do not plan on activating this account. Me and my trading partner, we was just having fun on the stream. We both passed the 50K account going full port, riding this momentum higher on the 21 EMA. So this is the price action that I'm going to be looking for tomorrow. Now, if the bears brings it to this trading range and the bulls can't hold it here or here, I'm going to be looking for an entry at this level right here, 624, or a 605 entry. This range right here is where I'm going to be looking for bulls to come and defend. And if the bulls do defend this area, I'm looking for a break of these highs. And if I'm not mistaken, the current highs is at 793. Now, if the bulls defend this area and take it to these highs, I do expect a retracement. But I also expect for the bulls to come and try to break this level. Now, this is where it can get tricky. If the bulls do break this level, I'm going to be looking for a break, a pullback. We're going to need to see the bulls defend this area right here. And if the bulls are successful at defending this area, then I'll be looking for a long in this area to take it higher. And if the bulls do take the price higher, understand that, again, we are in a no trade land. There is no price action to the left. So any trades taking above this level is a gamble. There is no price action. So what I like to do, I probably will trade this, but with light size. I'm not going to go full size trading where there's no previous price action to the left. In these types of situations, I trade a lot lighter than I would. But if the bears actually defend this level, then I expect this to go down and possibly get a retest of this level right here, which is at around 490. Because if the bulls do not defend these areas, then there's nothing stopping price from crashing all the way down, all the way back down, passing this trading range right here and going down further. Now we have tech news tomorrow after the bell. Is that Wednesday? We have FOMC on Wednesday. We have Meta, Amazon, and Apple reporting on Thursday. This market can do anything this week because of how volatile the news will be this week. So be mindful. Let's look at my trading journal. So this is my trading journal. This is what I use to track the trades that I take. And I didn't take any trades today. As I said before, I don't trade my XFA after lunch. But most importantly, I do not trade my XFA during high volatile news weeks. I would be quite angry losing an XFA trading high volatile news weeks. So usually what I do is I purchase new evals to trade so I can at least practice my skills without actually having to risk my real capital. Now, I track a Propfirm account with this trading journal. If you want to start your own prop account, the link to follow is in the description. And if you follow that link and use my discount code, you'll be able to receive the best current offer that Apex is currently running right now. I believe today was the last day for the 80% one-day pass. Both me and my trading partner did pass the 50K account. And as I said before, I will not be trading that. My trading style requires more drawdown than the 50K account. But my trading partner said that he will actually try to trade that. And that's going to be interesting to see. Well, that's all I have. If you are enjoying this breakdown and want insight on trading the NASDAQ intraday, subscribe to the channel, join our live stream where me and my trading partner revise intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community, and if you're tired of missing the best trades on the NASDAQ intraday, join the live stream, join the community, join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story, make sure you write that story in your trading journal because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is NASDAQ Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.